10 powerful health benefits of chamomile tea. Feeling stressed? Trouble sleeping? This simple herbal tea might be your natural solution. Chamomile tea isn't just a bedtime drink. It's a natural remedy packed with healing benefits. Let's explore how it supports your health. 1. Improves sleep quality. Chamomile contains apigenin, a natural compound that helps you relax and fall asleep faster. A warm cup before bed can work wonders. 2. Reduces the stress and anxiety. This tea gently calms the nervous system, making it a great natural way to unwind after a long day. 3. Supports digestion. Feeling bloated? Chamomile eases indigestion, gas, and even IBS symptoms. 4. Boosts immunity. Rich in antioxidants, chamomile strengthens your immune system and helps fight infections. 5. Fights inflammation. It has anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce joint pain and internal swelling. 6. Supports heart health. Chamomile's flavonoids can lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Good news for your heart. 7. Helps regulate blood sugar. Studies show that chamomile may help lower blood sugar, especially helpful for those with diabetes. 8. Eases menstrual cramps. It relaxes muscles and reduces pain, offering natural relief during your cycle. 9. Promotes clearer skin. The antioxidants in chamomile help fight acne and soothe irritated skin. 10. Fights colds and sore throats. Chamomile's antibacterial power can ease sore throats and reduce cold symptoms. So, whether you need better sleep, clearer skin, or a calmer mind, chamomile tea might just be your daily wellness ritual. Hit like if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.